Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain the grid method for drawing. First, select a reference image you wish to draw. This technique is fantastic for beginners because it simplifies the process of achieving accurate proportions. By dividing your image into smaller, more manageable squares, you can focus on drawing one small section at a time, making even complex subjects feel much less daunting. It's a foundational skill for developing your observational drawing abilities. Now, let's set up your grids. Using a ruler and a pencil, draw a grid directly onto your reference image. Make sure the lines are evenly spaced, perhaps every 1 inch or 2 centimeters. Then, create an identical grid on your drawing paper. You can scale your drawing up or down by making the squares on your paper larger or smaller than those on your reference, while keeping the same number of squares. With your grids ready, it's time to transfer your image. Pick a starting square on your reference and find its corresponding square on your drawing paper. Carefully observe the lines and shapes within that single square and draw only what you see there. Pay close attention to how lines enter and exit each square. Work methodically, square by square, until you have transferred all the essential outlines of your subject. After transferring the main outlines, gently erase your grid lines. Now, you can begin to add the finer details, shading, and textures that bring your drawing to life. Remember to step back frequently and view your artwork from a distance. This helps you spot any areas needing adjustment. The grid method is a fantastic tool for learning, and with consistent practice, you'll soon find your freehand drawing skills improving significantly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.